Did you know that the reason infrastructure machines are typically painted yellow is due to visibility? Yellow is one of the most visible colors in daylight, making these machines easier to see on construction sites, which enhances safety for workers and operators alike. This bright color also helps in distinguishing heavy machinery from other vehicles and elements on the site. The color yellow stands out against dirt, concrete, and greenery, making it easier for operators and pedestrians to stay safe and aware in busy environments.